Day 4. Okay, Batumi. I'm with Naturale. Yes, the first race. The race will commence at 10 o'clock. We're here at 8:30 to climatize and warm up, and maybe find our seat if we have one, and a good 10. Alright, good luck to the old participant, and have fun.
Row 3 is moving. Line.
Number 4, come closer. And hold.
Sure.
Let's go, Desert Hydra!
Alright, lunch break tayo na, lunch break. The race was good. I'm impressed with the crew. They're doing well, and you can check the highlights from the big screen. There you go. There's the Desert Dragon. Next one. So last hit earlier was it Walrus? Ambay muna tayo mga guys. So the race will resume at 4 PM. Kami yung unang hit. Open 200 meters, right? Okay, man. Ambulancia. I think we're about to start. The race officials are back. So any moment they will announce. Ito yung race kanina. Kaya tanggalin nila yung buoy. Kasi yung buoy na malalaking buoy, pang 2,000 yun eh. Meters na ngayon, we're doing race na lang. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Medyo malapit kami sa puntun. Okay, everyone. From the yellow buoy, ang finish line is a blue buoy, alright? Okay. Well, hopefully makapalag-palag tayo mamaya. I'll update you later. Bye-bye. Alright. Alright. Uwian na muna. Bawi tayo bukas. Amelie!
Yeah.
We're having our team dinner. Naturale. Chai. Bayit. Toast. Bayit from Persia. Naturale. Hello. Welcome to Baraka. We're eating Turkish dish. So delicious. Nice. Robert Perta.
We're done?
So, yung kinain ko kanino, sarap. Salt Turkish, no? Turkish delicacy. Oops, sister. Yan siya. Yan, sarap-sarap. Busog na busog ako. Nakamarin akong baklava. Nalala ko si Dr. Boris to rin. Baklava. Right? That's sum up of the day. Dragon boat and then dinner. City walk from Baraka to our hotel to Sareli. It's like a 10 minutes walk. Ito yung nalakad namin. Ito, napakaraming aso. Mga aso pa. Ang healthy, ang iingay. Hindi sila harmful. They're very kind. Oh, may palm tree. Napansin ko sa bahay dito is lagi meron silang veranda. Tignan mo yun. Yung bahay na yun. Lagi sila may veranda. Tapos yung mga bahay dito, mga luma, may mga kwan-kwan. Tawag doon. Ay! Mga nakalagay. Most yung mga building dito, 100 years pataas. Iniingatan nila kahit lumang-luma, tinitirahan pa. Ito, maramang ganyan, no? Nakalagay yung history, detalye, kung gaano nakatagal. Itong streets na to, it was here since the beginning. Alright. Puntahan na ito, tignan mo, look at that. Alright. Mga people, dito kayo magwa-wine. Wine tasting. Wine tasting tayo. Magandang angulo to for picture. Ayan. Ganda angulo. Gawan natin ng istorya yan. Yung loob ng kano. Tama yung bahay. Ito pala siya dati. Yung picture niya. Napaka-rich ng history nito. Medyo, I think, hindi siya ginamit buo. May veranda rin, tapos sa taas, ganda. So I think one of the way to preserve the building dito, what I noticed, is ginagawa silang business establishment. Yun ang alam pinakakailangan nila. This city was the port, center of the port of Georgia, Black Sea, Russia, Turkey, kumbaga anything in the Black Sea. Kaya maraming mixed nationality dito at saka maraming influence ng iba-ibang culture ng nationalities. Okay, so I'm gonna enjoy my wine for tonight. And I'll take it for tomorrow, day 2 ng race. Hopefully maka-chamba tayo, maka-isa man lang. Alright, bye bye.